Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to transfer money using the Commerzbank mobile app. First, open the app, then enter your username and then enter your password and log in. After logging in, on the home screen, tap the transfer or payment option. Then choose a saved recipient or add a new one by entering bank details. Type the amount you want to send, check all the details carefully. Tap continue and approve of using the photoTAN. Your transfer will be completed. Always double check the recipient information. That's how to transfer money using the Commerzbank app. Like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.